Hi guys, there's a new video today. Today a bit unexpected because I thought I'm ready for the street legal check. And yeah, I checked everything once more and the car was idling for a few minutes here and now the engine died and it doesn't start anymore. Let's take a look. Yeah. No signs of life anymore. And so I need to check now what's this time not good and repair it. So let's find out and yeah, check everything. Oh, the first thing we're gonna check right now if we still have some fuel. That is the fuel line here from the fuel pump. Let's loosen it. Yeah, it's bone dry, no fuel. So I guess, like you saw, there was very old fuel in the car, and my guess now the fuel pump doesn't work anymore. Maybe the old fuel damaged that one. For sure I will replace the fuel pump and let's try to start the car with some additional fuel in the carburetor. Maybe if we got some RPMs, the fuel pump will pump fuel again. Yeah, let's try that I can drive to the garage. So let's get some fuel. Good. I found some fuel here. Cheers. Wow. Okay. Whoop. Oh, that was a bit too much, but okay. Let's see if the car starts like that. So. Let's go into the garage. Wow. fuel pump is in. Yeah, looks pretty good. So let's look if it starts.
Oh, Thomas.
Perfect.
Ah. Pretty cool.
Work
ist
is
stoppen?
done. In. Komm, fahr raus.
Du musst los. Du bist selber nicht